Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's Jack with Stronghold Strength and Conditioning. And today we have a 10-minute full body workout at home using dumbbells. But before we get into it, make sure that you take a moment to hit that subscribe button in the corner so that you don't miss out on future workouts like this. The workout today is going to be a 10-minute AMRAP with 3 exercises. So we're doing as many rounds as possible. Each exercise is going to be 10 reps. And you just want to see how many rounds you can go through in those 3 exercises for the 10 minutes. Let's go ahead and dive into it. All right, get ready. Remember, it's 10 reps of each exercise. How many rounds can you complete in the 10 minutes? There will be a timer in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. We're starting off with the glute bridge floor press. Go ahead, hip up high, squeeze those glutes, pushing the hips to the ceiling, knees pushing wide, hips driving high. Abs are engaged, making sure it's not your low back doing any work here. Pull the elbows to the floor, press the dumbbells away over the chest. Focus on drawing the elbows in low toward the hips every time. Good. Next, we're moving to the bear crawl row. Focus on setting the shoulder blades here first. Wrist right below the shoulder, neutral, so my knuckles are pointing pretty much down toward the floor here. My abs are engaged, making sure my back's not sagging. My knees are somewhere right around underneath the hip. I'm actually pushing my knees wide here as well to keep my glutes engaging and minimizing some of the hip flexor activity. Good. Last one of the circuit, the thruster. Go down into a squat, holding those weights right at the shoulder. Think tip of the elbow to the tip of the knee. Knees pushing wide as you pull yourself down into the bottom of the squat, and then stand locking in the quads, glutes, abs, and pressing the weights overhead. Remember, go at your own pace on this. It's not about keeping up with me. I'm just here for motivation. So take a rest as you need. Otherwise, keep going, give what you can. It is only 10 minutes. Do the best you're able to.
Flying so close to where we belong, and we're trying to go somewhere new. And I try to crack this iceberg open till it shatters through the ocean. I wanna make shockwaves. I wanna make shockwaves with you. Gonna move the ocean current till the waves flood what's been burning. I wanna make shockwaves. I wanna make shockwaves with you. And I know I'm only getting higher till it feels like I can walk through fire. And I know I'm only getting higher till it feels like I can walk through fire. it shatters through the ocean. I wanna make shockwaves. I wanna make shockwaves with you. Gotta move the ocean current till the waves flood what's been burning. I wanna make shockwaves.
Alright, you guys are at the halfway point here. Keep going strong. Finish out as many rounds as possible. Keep focusing on the form. As fatigue sets in, keep thinking more and more about the technique of each exercise.
Shockwaves with you. 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 Find me in the corner of the room, not ready to resume. 'Cause like I'm taking, don't wanna be alone, but I'm not in the zone. I'm looking for somebody. I'm looking for somebody.
Last minute here. Make sure you finish out on the move. Go all the way to the buzzer here. 15 seconds. Keep going.
Alright, great job guys. Let us know what you thought about the workout by clicking that like button down below. Leave a comment about what was your toughest exercise. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future workouts like this. If you'd like something a little bit more tailored to you, be sure to stop by our website. I'll put our link down below in the description so that you guys can go and check it out. Thanks for working out with us today. We'll see you next time.